Hello and welcome to the highlights of the first game of the Pakistan Junior League, a match between Gujranwala Giants and Mardan Warriors in Lahore.
Oh, did he get a bit of bat onto it? I thought I heard a sound. There was a bit of a deflection, or has just gone right through. We have to wait for the umpire. There's a sound. The sound has been given. First wicket of the Pakistan Junior League. Runs here. That thick outside edge. Probably didn't intend to play it in that area. Oh, that is a very good shot. That's got to be out. And it is. First no ball. Not only he has to bowl it again, going to end up giving a free hit here. Again, a thick outside edge. And that's earned him a boundary.
You just see there, chipped and out. Being a good start.
And that's the danger with bowling too many variations. Wide ball, 5 runs granted by the Warriors.
This one short, could be a chance, no. Tried to get in place, tried to take it one hand.
Finds a gap, will be 4. Cut powerfully behind point and intentionally playing it behind. Up and over. That's a really special shot. And a good one to end the over. 13 runs coming from it, 88 for 3. That's the 50. The first 50 in the Pakistan Junior League goes to the captain of this Gujranwala. Beautiful. Struck nicely in the air, but didn't have the distance.
What a ball, what a delivery, right at the root of that off stump. He's been so good. That's his 3rd wicket, Emal.
Wow, this is something special. Bowler tried everything to stop.
Brilliant delivery, in swinging, full, nothing that the batter could do about it. Shot. That's what's needed by Gujranwala. They need a few runs in the last 3 overs or so. Yeah, he finds a field. That's a good catch. That's a good catch taken. He judged it well. The ball was dying and dipping on him. Last ball of the innings for Giants. Another good delivery. Just go through maybe for a bye. We'll just wait for the umpire's signal. Oh, he's got some bat on it. So 131 is what Gujranwala Giants have managed to get.
So Mardan Warriors need 132 to score their first 2 points in the Pakistan Junior League. Let's join the action with our commentators.
Might not do so. Fine stroke. Shazab just squeezes this one past cover point for a 4. Was airborne for a while, but a firm enough stroke through that cover region. This will release a lot of the pressure being built up by the bowlers. Gone for it again. Wide of that fielder in deep 3rd. That's good going by Shazab. That's fast and that's high. The square leg umpire will just assess the height of that delivery.
Big shot. He'll clear the inner field for sure. And probably the first maximum as well. First 6 of the game, first 6 of Pakistan Junior League. This time a top edge, catch it is the call, but it will land in safely. 1 bounce. The pace just carries it all the way. Oh, probably a few. That's a good shot. That's such a good shot. It may look easy. It takes a lot of practice to do that inside out, playing it over the inner circle. Down on one knee. He's played it wide of that fielder. It doesn't really matter where the fielder is because this is the second maximum of the match, and both of them coming from the Warriors. Yeah, too much time for George available on that occasion. He made up his mind, getting inside the line of that delivery and just pushing it further over fine leg.
Oh, this is such a good shot, straight down the ground. This has been so good from George Thomas. He's 44 from 29. Again, this will be another massive 6. Forget these boundaries. 66 yards, that's gone all the way, and 50 up. The second half century in this opening game of the Pakistan Junior League, and this one quicker, 31 deliveries. Oh, this is over extra cover. Wow, they want this game finished. They're thinking about run rates so early on in the competition. Oh, out. This one's sliced, really, and they needed a wicket, the Giants. Oh, this is close. This must be close. It's given. Absolutely. Hit in front of the stumps.
So the umpire has made the right decision, it seems. He's going to stick with it.
Oh, this is a super shot. Gave himself a little bit of room outside leg stump and lifted him over mid-on for 6.
Sweetly timed. That's a classical stroke. More runs. Surely will be a couple.
And will be the first win in the inaugural Pakistan Junior League.